Hello, little learners. Are you ready for a fun jungle math adventure? Today, we are going to help Milo the monkey solve a mystery. Milo the monkey woke up early in the morning. The sun was shining, birds were singing, and the jungle looked beautiful. Milo was feeling hungry, very hungry. Yay! These mangoes look so delicious.
As Milo was walking back home, he met his friend, the parrot. Hello, Milo. Can I please have 2 mangoes?
Milo is kind and loves to share, so he gave 2 mangoes to the parrot. Now, let's count together. Milo had 10 mangoes. He gave away 2. So, how many are left? Yes, 10 minus 2 equals 8. Now, Milo has 8 mangoes left. Milo continued walking, humming a happy tune.
Hi, Milo. Can I have 3 mangoes, please?
Milo smiled again and gave 3 mangoes to the rabbit. Now let's think again. He had 8 mangoes. He gave away 3. How many are left now? Great job. 8 minus 3 equals 5. Now Milo has 5 mangoes left. Milo walked a little more. He was getting closer to home. Then he met a slow and friendly turtle.
Hello, Milo. Can I have 1 mango?
Milo nodded and gave 1 mango. Now let's count one more time. He had 5 mangoes. He gave away 1. How many are left? Yes, 5 minus 1 equals 4. Now Milo has 4 mangoes left. Now comes the big question. Can you tell how many mangoes did Milo give away in total? Think carefully. Let's solve it together. Milo gave 2 mangoes to the parrot, 3 mangoes to the rabbit, 1 mango to the turtle. Now add them. 2 plus 3 plus 1 equals... That's right. 2 plus 3 plus 1 equals 6. Milo gave away a total of 6 mangoes. Here's another smart way to solve it. Milo started with 10 mangoes. Now he has 4 left. So 10 minus 4 equals 6. Same answer. Amazing. Milo reached home with 4 mangoes and a big smile, because sharing is caring and math is fun. Did you enjoy this jungle math story? Comment your answer and share with your friends. Follow MiniMath.ai for more fun math adventures.